Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Future Engineering. In today's session, we are starting an exciting journey in DSA Tutorial Roadmap. Data structure and algorithm. If you are preparing for coding interviews or just want to become better programmer or learner, DSA is a game changer. In this video, I will explain what is DSA, why it's important, and how it's learned step by step from the basic to advanced. Let's begin. Then, what is DSA stand for? DSA stand for Data Structure and Algorithm, two essential building blocks of programming and problem solving. The two essential blocks are the DSA programming and problem solving. Then, what is a DSA? Then, what is a DSA? Data structure. These are ways to organize or store data efficiently. It can be used effectively. Data structure, way to organize करतो data efficient way ने आणि आपण तो use करू शकतो effective way. For example, arrays, a linked list, stack, queue, tree. These are all examples of DSA and these are all concept on DSA. Algorithms are step by step to instruction of solving problems. For example, sorting, searching, and then next topic is algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve the specific problem. जर specific problem आहे तर step by step काय करतो आपण solve करतो. तो specific problem त्याला काय म्हणतो algorithm म्हणतो. Or in a different way, the step-by-step instruction to solve the problem, procedure or instruction to solve the specific problem called as a algorithm. Called as a algorithm. In for example, algorithm sorting, searching, finding the shortest path, then a map is all are examples of algorithm. Both work together to helps to write smart, fast and clean code. Means algorithm हा हे काय करतं तर फास्ट स्मार्ट आणि क्लीन कोड करण्यासाठी काय करतं हेल्प करतं. देन येतं why DSA is important. Why DSA is important? So we should learn is DSA why is important. It asks almost every coding interviews. Why DSA important? It asks in almost every coding interviews it building your problem solving skill. मग हे काय करतं बिल्ड करतं प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्विंग स्किल असते ते काय करतं बूस्ट करतं बिल्ड करतं देन काय होतं तर हेल्प होतं राईट बेटर कोड लिहिण्यासाठी काय होतं हेल्प होतं वेबसाईट ऍप्स गेम्स अँड रिअल टाइम सिस्टीम. If you want to stand out programmer and DSA is a must. Makes you code is faster, efficient and scalable. Boost problem solving skill essential for cracking coding interviews and top company like a Google, Amazon or Microsoft. Forms the core software development whether it's a game, chatbot, GPS or वेबसाईट बॅकएंड दिस ह्यासाठी काय असतं डीएसए इम्पॉर्टंट असतं डीएसएचा कोड फास्टर इफिशियंट स्केलेबल असतो बूस्ट करतं प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्विंग स्किल इसेन्शियल असतं क्रॅकिंग कोडिंग इंटरव्ह्यूज ॲट टॉप कंपनीज लाईक गुगल अमेझॉन मायक्रोसॉफ्ट त्याच्यानंतर डेव्हलपमेंट करतं सॉफ्टवेअर डेव्हलपमेंट करतं वेदर इट्स ए गेम और चॅटबॉट्स देन जीपीएस देन वेबसाईट्स ऑफ बॅकएंड हे काय करतं सॉफ्टवेअर डेव्हलपमेंट करतं देन येतं लॉजिक बिल्डिंग. The next topic is logic building. Before dividing the deep into DSA, build your logic. Start with the simple problems like printing patterns, reversing numbers, and solving the basic puzzle. Keep practicing daily, just like a muscle gets stronger with exercises, your brain gets sharper with logic problems. Then, what is the logic building? How to logic building in DSA? What foundation for learning how to solve the problems? Goals means what a logic building म्हणजे काय तर फाउंडेशन असतं लर्न करायचं हाऊ टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लेम एक फाउंडेशन असतं डीएसए की प्रॉब्लेम कसे सॉल्व करायचे देन गोल डेव्हलप थिंकिंग टू कन्वर्ट रिअल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लेम जी थिंकिंग असती दिस इज थिंकिंग इज कन्वर्टेड into real world problem called as a goals. Then example pattern problems condition checking or basic loop. मग pattern problems त्यानंतर for loop while loop condition checking and basic loops if else loops. Then tips practice with a small problem like a palindrome check and prime check. Palindrome check and prime check is already in C and C plus and Python various languages. These are small problems like palindrome or prime numbers. Then time and space complexity. Next is something called as a complexity analysis. Complexity analysis. Time and space complexity ला काय म्हणतो तर complexity analysis. This is a time complexity. Then time complexity means what? The how to fast your code to run. How to fast code is run called as a time complexity. Space complexity means what? How much memory is used. Means how to program fast run called as a time complexity and how to program space the more memory called as a space complexity. Then time and space complexity measure of algorithm efficiency. हे काय करतात measure करतं algorithm efficiency. टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी मीन्स काय, हाऊ टाइम ग्रो विथ इनपुट साईज मीन्स रन टाइमला जेवढा कोड फास्ट रन होतो त्याला टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी म्हणतो. मग आपली इनपुट साईजचा टाइम जेवढा ग्रो होतो तशी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी काय होते, इन्क्रीज होते. देन स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी मीन्स काय, मेमरी यूज जसा इनपुट ग्रो करतो तशी स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीची मेमरी काय करते, भरत जाते. त्याला काय म्हणतो, स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. बिगो ऑफ ओ नोटेशन, बिगो ऑफ ओ नोटेशन मीन्स काय, कॉमन नोटेशन लाईक बिगो ऑफ एन, बिगो ऑफ लॉग एन अँड बिगो ऑफ एन स्क्वेअर. These are all measure the time complexity, and this is the basic notation of the time complexity. Then for example, linear search, linear search is a big O of n time complexity, and binary search is a big O of log n time complexity. These are the example. Then